Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Google Chrome on MX Linux 23. But the process is same on all MX Linux versions. The default browser that comes with MX Linux is Firefox. Open the default browser. Now go to Google. Then search for download Chrome. Click on the first link, that is the fast and secure web browser. Click on it. Click on download Chrome. See, for MX Linux we have to select the 64-bit.debian package. Click on accept and install. See, download started. See here, the size is 109 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, this is stable version. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Click on this menu. Then search for terminal. See here we have the terminal emulator. Click on it. Let me increase the font. Edit, preferences. Now go to downloads directory, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the Google Chrome current stable version. It is a Debian package, so install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then give the Google, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, its version is 134. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to again menu. Search for Chrome. See here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it. See here, make the Google Chrome as the default user. So I don't want. If you want, you can select this checkbox and automatically send user statistics and cost reports to Google. I don't want either of them. It is up to you. Click on OK. Don't sign in. Got it. See, we got the Google Chrome web browser. Now go to downloads again. ls. See, we have successfully installed. So this file is not required anymore. So to clear space, we have to remove this one. rm. Give the Google. Give the tab. ls. See, we have cleared the space. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome latest stable version on MX Linux 23. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.